Today I'm going to be showing you a couple different ways that I monetize my YouTube channel. I know there's a bunch of different ways that you can do that, but these are the ways that I've chosen to monetize my YouTube channel. It's actually been pretty beneficial for me. So all that stuff is coming up. What is up, beautiful people? TJ here with another episode. Today I want to talk a little bit about YouTube and how you can be an influencer on YouTube without being a douche. So a lot of people that I talk to, especially when they are starting out YouTube, they don't necessarily know how to monetize that. You know, they always look at the Adsense monetization. They think about, well, I've got to have 1,000 subscribers. I've got to have 4,000 hours of watch time. And that's not necessarily always the case. There's a lot of ways that you can be profitable on YouTube without being, just like uploading just a bunch of stuff. You have to be very strategic about how you're going to do that and come up with some sort of plan. Now, YouTube is a lot different than what it used to be. A lot of times you would have to have like a specific niche to be successful on YouTube, but I don't think that's necessarily always the case. Look at my channel. I have just a hodgepodge of videos because I make videos about stuff that I like, stuff that is empowering to me, and stuff that I think that will help you all, my viewers. But it's not always like you have to have a very niche specific channel to be profitable. So what I've done is I've compiled just a little short list of ways that you can make money on YouTube without AdSense. Now, let's go ahead and just talk about AdSense since we're talking about it. So definitely AdSense is going to be probably one of the more profitable for you, especially if you are in, a health, wealth, or beauty category on YouTube. So you can't really think about it as, you just got to be like a beauty guru, or you got to be a person driving around in a Lamborghini. So my videos that I make on like liquidation, resale, any type of money making things, those videos just tend to pay a lot more on AdSense. And it's just that, YouTube looks at the cost per milli, and then you got to look at the actual advertisers that are on your video. So it's not necessarily like you're going to be a millionaire or anything when you first start out. But when you do get monetized, and if you are talking about anything that's health, wealth, or beauty, those videos do tend to make a lot more money. So if you have anything in that niche or in that realm, I definitely would tap into that market, because that market is going to be a lot more profitable. Now, that goes into my second thing that I want to talk about, and that is Amazon affiliate links. Another great way to make money, especially if you are a YouTuber, is going to be through Amazon affiliate links. A lot of people ask me why I make camera review videos, and not just because I enjoy camera gear and I enjoy getting camera gear and stuff like that, but also camera gear sells very well on Amazon affiliate links. So Amazon affiliate links is going to be probably one of my bigger ways that I make money through my YouTube channel. So another great way to make money on YouTube is going to be through SkillShare. That's a relatively newer way to make money on YouTube. So if you have a specific skill that you have, or if you are a person that knows how to edit videos, or you're great with photography, or you're great with videography, definitely if you had a SkillShare channel, or if you had a SkillShare course, you can actually make money through SkillShare. I've seen people make a lot of money on SkillShare. So we were going to try to do a SkillShare class that didn't work out. So if you are going to do SkillShare, make sure it is not on something where it's like affiliate or where you're going to make money off of it. Just make sure it's something like a technical skill or something like that, and you will be fine to do that. So thinking of the range of money that you can make with SkillShare, the guy that I saw, he has a YouTube channel, and he was making about $230 a day. on SkillShare. So it may be something to look into, especially if you have a specific skill that you can show people and you can do on SkillShare. If you are a new YouTuber, or if you're somebody that wants to build your influence online, make sure that you have some sort of way for companies to reach out to you. I have a personal website, so like tjlovelady.com. If you want to check that out, it's just a static website. I don't have to go in and update it. I kind of have it set up to where my new videos and stuff will go on there. So if anybody wants to see my newer videos, they can see them on that website. But also it provides a place for companies to reach out to you, to send you messages. Funny story, I actually was contacted by A&E to be on a reality show through my website. It was through YouTube. They saw me on YouTube, but they reached out to me through my website. They sent me like a chat message. So I definitely would tell you, if you are starting a YouTube channel and you want to build your influence, that you get a website. I use Wix. Wix works very well. There's other ones that work very well. Wix just works very well for me. So definitely have a website, because the website is almost like your business card. That's a place where people can get in touch with you. People can, see your body of work, and just building a super simple website is a great way for people to get in touch with you. So also with SkillShare, it's not necessarily a place where you want to build, or it's not necessarily a place that you're going to build like a following. But if you do have some sort of following, even if you don't have a following, so you do have the potential to make quite a bit of money with SkillShare. What I like about SkillShare is that you can go through and you can produce a course and you can release it to people, and you don't have to do any follow-up. There's not like a lot of extra stuff that you have to do. You just basically put the course out and then people will watch it. Now, the way SkillShare does it, they do it kind of the same as YouTube. I think you get paid per minute of watch time. And then also they give you an affiliate link for SkillShare. And I think the affiliate link, you get $10 per affiliate. So definitely, if you are a person that has a skill, or if you have something that you can showcase through some sort of a course, SkillShare is going to be a really good option. It's free, of course, for you to make a course on there. So definitely check it out. Speaking of affiliate links, another way that I make quite a bit of money on YouTube is through affiliate links. And I have a couple different companies that I work with. They provide me with a affiliate link, and I put my affiliate link out to you all. Y'all click on it and I get, just residual income. So definitely, if you are talking about a service or a product, if you can reach out to the company and try to get an affiliate link, or if, a lot of times you can go down to the bottom of the page, or even do just a Google search and do the company name and affiliate link. And a lot of times you will find that they already have an affiliate program. All you have to do is apply to be in that affiliate program. Now, one thing that I've noticed with YouTube is that if you don't specifically ask people to go click on your link, or if you don't specifically ask people to do a certain thing, they won't do it. So if you are making YouTube videos and you have affiliate links inside your description, or if you put them in the first comment, just say, hey, go check out my description, the links in my description for this specific thing. And then that will cue people to do that. It's like a call to action. You have to make sure that you are very deliberate in how you want people to take action on your videos. So that was one thing I had to learn. I would go in and put like all these links in my description, and I wasn't getting any clicks. I was wondering, like, why am I not getting any clicks? Well, it's because I don't tell people to go down there and click them, because a lot of people don't click on the description, so they don't necessarily know that there are links down there to click on. Like I said, there are different ways that you can be an influencer on YouTube and not be douchey about it. You can just be open, honest, put the content out that you like, the content that you're passionate about, and then also be profitable while you're doing that. I don't think people mind supporting a channel or supporting a person if you are open and honest and you are giving them some sort of value. So make sure that whenever you're putting out links and whenever you're doing different things, you are actually looking at the value of what the information is that you're giving, because if your information is valuable, people are going to watch and people are going to take action on your links and on your different things like that. So with that being said, if you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I release new videos, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.